Hey, this is Matt Criscuolo coming to you up close and personal. And in this video, I am going to give you a little review of Jeff Lerner's course that he calls Entre Institute. I purchased it a few months ago, and my life has not really quite been the same. I have to tell you that I have been motivated and inspired in ways that I didn't expect. I'm very grateful for it. I'm excited for the future. And I think that if you go down the path that I did, you will more than likely experience the same thing. So, by the way, if you like this video, do me a favor and like it, subscribe, comment, share. I'll get back to you, but it'll give the opportunity for other people to see this review as well if you do that. So, a little bit about the internet space. You probably already know that, and the fact that you're watching this video actually is proof that you do have an understanding that there are great opportunities on the internet to earn a living, and go even beyond earning a living, potentially even getting financial freedom to the point where you're making a lot of money. Um, Whatever business you're in, I don't have to tell you, but you have to give value and you have to give service and you have to um, give people something, a reason to keep coming back to whatever it is that you're, the product or the service that you're offering. You genuinely have to do a good job. And in order to do that, you have to be knowledgeable and you have to be passionate about what you're doing to a certain degree. I think to a large degree, you have to like what you're doing and be passionate about it, but you certainly have to be knowledgeable. You have to understand how to, you know, how to offer that product and service effectively and expertly to your audience and to your customers. What Jeff Lerner has done is that he's put together an incredible course that is so comprehensive and so clear and so detailed and explains all the mechanics of exactly what to do, when, and how to do it. That I think that you're gonna. I'm blown away by this course. I think it's amazing. Otherwise, I wouldn't even be doing this video. I would be looking to do a video about something else. But I really feel strongly about it. And like I said, if you're passionate about something and you really believe in it and you're good at it, and then it's easier to share that with people, and they will partake in that in the form of, either supporting you, investing in you, or purchasing your products and services. And that's what I'm doing here with this course. Uh, so, so I'm going to sort of show you a little bit about this guy, Jeff. Check him out right here.
We don't want to hit you in the face with a fire hose. First, to welcome you to your Entre members area. Not to be too sentimental, but it's kind of a big deal for me that you're here. Everything that's contained in this members area represents years and years of my life, really decades of my life, to learn this stuff and to make the relationships and the connections and develop the infrastructure and the resources to be able to put all this together for you. An income, develop a side hustle, do whatever you want to do to really give yourself the freedom, the flexibility, and the confidence to live the life that you want to live. Our methodology and everything that you're going to experience here in this members area is rooted in what we call the 3 legs of successful action. If you go through our Entre Blueprint course, or really any of our trainings, you're going to see this again and again and again. I simply will emphasize what those 3 legs are. They are knowledge, they are community, and they are strategy. And this members area is where.
So essentially, he's kind of, I was paraphrasing a little bit before something that he just touched on, but I'm jumping ahead because I wanted you to see this, because you're probably not going to see this anywhere else on the
I know
internet.
From experience how important community is, and it's a executive staff here at Entre, some of our outside trainers, decades of life testing and experience to not even really make money so much or build a business, but just have an awesome life. If anything, my awesome life challenge is basically the product of my desire to make sure that I get to the end of my road, wherever that is and however it happens, with no regrets. I want to have left it all.
Okay, so I could play the entire video, and I'm sorry if jumping around like this was a little distracting and maybe not as effective as it could be, but I didn't want to use this whole video playing, just, Jeff, I wanted to show you some other things. So I'm going to get right to that. But I wanted you to get a little sample of what this gentleman's demeanor and his delivery is like, because you'll be able to, in my opinion, at least, I found that it was very easy to listen to him. He's very real, he's very honest, and very knowledgeable. And he really put a lot of engineering into this course, which will end up, basically results in the experience for you and I. It's a wonderful experience to learn that way. So I guess it's kind of like, having your favorite teacher kind of thing. So that's Jeff Lerner. Um, Now, he sells a few different courses, and you can buy one, two, or three of them. I bought one. I bought the affiliate marketing course, but he does sell a digital agency course, which teaches you how to have a marketing agency where you can service small businesses or medium and large, probably small businesses at first anyway, where you can help those businesses with SEO, search engine optimization, with their websites, with their social media marketing, and all that stuff, all the things that small businesses need in order to thrive in this economy, in this digital world. The other thing that he also does, that he teaches, you can get a course on digital courses, which basically teaches you all the mechanics on how to put together a course that you can then sell online to other people on how to do certain things. Educational courses, how to be a mechanic, how to open a restaurant, how to play music, how to cook. And basically, you can create a course, and he teaches you how to do that, and all the things that kind of encompass keeping that these types of business, these types of endeavors, how to make them holistically successful online. So he doesn't just teach you how to do the course, he teaches you how to promote it and all that other stuff. Now, I happen to took the affiliate marketing program. You wouldn't even be watching this, and I wouldn't have made this video if it weren't for this course, which teaches you how to do all this stuff, which is, like I told you, like partially why I'm so excited. So let me get right to some other stuff. Now, this is my dashboard. This is what I paid for and had unlocked. If you look over here, some of these things are locked. That's because I didn't pay for them, but you can get these other things here that are locked. I didn't need them right now, but at some point I might go for it. You have this awesome life challenge where he uh, where they have this 90-day challenge where you work on your physical, you work on your personal, and you work on your professional. So this is what he calls like the three P's: physical, personal, and professional. So physical being, getting yourself in physical shape. I don't know if you noticed that Jeff Lerner's in good shape. You could tell, right? But he was not always that way. He shows you pictures of what he looked like, and obviously, we're not born that way. You got to work at that. So that's the kind of person he is, and it kind of rubs off on you. Then there's the personal, where he talks about your personal relationships, which I could even talk a little bit more about that too at some point, and maybe in another video. And then professional, which is your what you do to earn a living, and optimizing those things. And he gives you a lot of tools that you can leverage in your life to improve all of those aspects of your life. So let's get to this right here now. This is the Entre Blueprint. This here is, again, another module that you can go through, that I'll give you an example of what this is here now. So check this out. This is um, watch the video intro below and discover Entre's groundbreaking online business concept called digital real estate, which combines the money-making power of the internet with timeless wealth principles. Now, what that basically means is he's saying that, like in physical real estate, if you buy a commercial building, let's say, or a two-family home, you put a certain amount of work in the beginning, probably more likely a lot of work in the beginning to set it up and integrate it and get everything leased out, all of the tenants in place. You build your, you have leases, you deal with lawyers or not, and then you get the tenant in place. And that tenant potentially, let's say, has a 10-year lease. Let's say it's a restaurant. That tenant has a 10-year lease. So you put all this work in the beginning, right, up front. Then you have a 10-year run where, you're going to have work to do as a landlord, all the landlord retention, all the maintenance, all the stuff that you do as a landlord. But the point is, you have that piece of property that if you have multiple tenants in there, you have them all with long-term leases, let's say, they will give you residual income over a period of time. And that's what digital real estate does. The same thing. When you create videos like what I'm creating now, assuming that there's value in it, assuming that people actually like it and they get something out of it, they will continue to watch that video over several years. And if there are links in the bottom of that video, which is what affiliate marketing is, by the way, that people click on and purchase that product, you get a commission from that sale. So and so if that video or multiple videos, like if you have multiple real estate properties and lots of tenants, let's say, for example, you use that analogy. Now you refer to now online. Let's say you have a lot of videos on YouTube, and you have a lot of Instagram posts and Facebook posts, and all of them are strong and made well, which, by the way, Jeff teaches you how to do that. Then that acts like real estate, except that it's online, it's digital. And what I like about it is that you don't have to change the roof when the roof goes bad, like on a real piece of real estate. You don't have to deal with plumbing issues. You don't have to deal with tenants that maybe if you get a bad tenant, or let's say the tenant goes out of business. Let's say the business that the tenant has doesn't do well. Well, then, you're subject to some suffering and pain because of that, because you're kind of in bed with that tenant. Now, not to say that real estate is not a good investment. It is actually a very good form of investing, but it's different. Digital real estate has its own sets of challenges when you put up, all of this content to drive traffic, because that's what the purpose of it is, anyways, to drive traffic. But I'm digressing. Sorry. Let me get back to this Entre thing here now to show you a little bit more. Let's say, for example, this is the Affiliate Millionaire Accelerator, where he actually goes into he takes a deep dive on what it is that you're going to learn in all of these modules. All of these are videos. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing terminology. So they kind of start right from the beginning. They say, well, they define what affiliate marketing is. Now let's say I was going to watch this video. Okay, I already watched it, but let's say we were going to watch it. This video happens to be, about maybe 5 minutes long. So then you would watch each module one at a time. This is the digital course that I was talking about before. This is how Jeff is what he's selling now, his digital course, probably selling other things too, but affiliate marketing terminology. This is another video that you would watch, and basically they outline, this one is 27 minutes long. So in this...
Hey everyone, this is Jesse Singh. Welcome back to another video. This time we'll be taking a look at affiliate marketing.
So this guy, Jesse Singh, he is somebody that Jeff hired to create some of these videos. So Jeff does not get into all of these videos. Some of them he does in the beginning, especially. But then there's this other dude, Jesse, and then there's another guy that gets involved and teaches you. But they're all just... Jeff is the one who handpicked all of these people that he has working in his company. So it starts from the top down. Jeff is a great businessman, obviously a man of, I think, of integrity. So all the people he has working for him are like that too. So again, over here you're learning about Google Ads, you're learning about Aweber, banner ads, and if you go further down, look, he gets into sales funnels. I'm giving you a bird's eye view, so I'm not gonna be able to get too much into it. But if you look here, there's email marketing. He gets into all that. Solo ads, super affiliate bonuses here, YouTube, and then the YouTube mastery course. And then over here, he gets into blogging. So, I mean, he covers a lot of stuff. And I guarantee you, you're going to love everything about this course. It's the kind of course that you can go back and watch all of these modules over and over again, refer back to them if you ever, oh, let me go watch that module again. I have to go brush up on something. That's how valuable this is. Anyway, love and spaghetti, fall in love all over again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share and comment. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks.